Okay, so as introduced by Vincenzo, okay, we will now have arrived to the okay, to the innovation and main outputs produced by the project. So just a second, okay. Okay, so basically, starting from the innovation parts, here we can see an overview of of uh, uh, the main achievements of the projects. So starting from the innovations which have been then grouped in using the innovation radar framework, which is okay, a standard instrument by the European Commission in order to okay, to collect innovation and highlight the potentials of them. Then moving okay on the dissemination and the communication and communications activities that have been performed, and and so basically the standard contributions and then the exploitation parts related to the commercialization. So okay, as said, we can see okay the first main innovation output related to the project, which is more which come basically from the from the field trial related to SNCF and Orange, and so is uh, is dedicated basically to the areas uh, endowed with particularly low exposure electromagnetic field on them under by the customer. So starting from which is already implemented, so the normal internet access net, and then the operator and the building owner or the, the owner of the area or facility in which the net is implemented is able to okay uh, to uh, to offer to a customer okay an area with arbitrarily particularly low limits under the current regulation, the current standards uh, of EMF. So in this way, the operator is able to deploy the novel type of nodes, which are the RIS, and also optimize the emissions. So by the nodes itself and by the devices and the reflections. Okay, the main partners involved, as said, are Orange and SNCF and the Greener Wave, of course, as provider of this. Okay, the second one of the secondary innovation is more related to the pilot on CRF, and so is more dedicated on localization. So starting from also here from the network from the network deployment, using ad hoc RIS installation. These can be uh, can be uh, can be moved to a more through the collection of different snapshots to arrive to determine the precise positioning information of the defined target users, considering the the spatial diversity of the place. So the main involvement partners here are Team CRF, of course, again with Greener Way. The third one is related to the communication capabilities of the RIS through smart radio environment, and so um, so considering a scenario where a non-live site scenario with non-live site can be taken in a proper way, considering controlling the signal path and optimizing the signal paths in order to increase performance and so the quality of service in order to offer it to customers. Okay, the main partner here are again Greener Wave and then NEC and the team. Okay, moving to the dissemination activities. Okay, these activities are mainly related to standard academic practice in order to make the project known to the public. So starting from a dissemination package which has been set up. So with the logo of the project, an acknowledgement text for the publication, the PowerPoint template, and so on, which is the individual material from each partner to be used. Then moving to the publications related to the project, there has been a huge production of them with 150, considering already published and pending and under peer review, which has been submitted considering journals related to IEE and the main conspiracies, also because they have been targeted as first choice. Then have been pursued also and a strong collaboration between the different work packages. So more than publications which are related, which are across UPs, and also a collaboration between different partners in the project with more than 40 publications which have at least two partners. Okay, so related to other dissemination activities.
Sorry, Davide, for interrupting you. I think you still have 1 or 2 minutes because then
okay, so
we
I move,
need to move to
very fast. So
excellent. Thanks.
Excellent. The okay, so the participation to conferences, workshop, and other public events. There have been a strong interaction with the 5G PP through different working groups, and also other communication actions related to the project newsletters, to the interviews, to the member, to the consortium, and other contribution to white papers and other presentations. Okay, here is the website. I move very fast, which because it's been already introduced. So which is the first channel of communication of the project information output, public output, and dissemination and communication activities. Okay, moving to the standardization one. So standardization outputs. The standardization activities have been performed mainly through the involvement in a specific standard panels by strategic partners in the project, especially in the bodies which are the 3GPP and the ETSY. So which are in groups with in subgroups which are for the 3GPP the RINs or radio access network service system aspects, so SA and core network and terminal. Regarding the ETSI, the main involvement has been in a new industry specification group related to the RIS and to the and in another one related to the TERRS communication standard. So that the project basically has provided, yes, in considering both this body 24 contributions in total. Okay, moving fastly to the exploitation activities. The exploitation plans are on the basis of the role of the partners in the project have been defined, of course, differently. So dividing between academics, then the telecom operator, the network operators, the vendors of the RIS and the academics, and the verticals, so the end users. The different output being developed and structured through as exploitation items. We see very fastly the different kind of output, which have been for the academics, which is more related to patents and to the increasing of the knowledge related to the risk optimization and optimization and yes and study related to the risk vendors is the risk of the risk itself and different patents related to the optimization of the risk performances, while moving to the network operators is more dedicated to the deployment, the commercial deployment of the risk itself, and on the vertical, so the end users are related to the so starting to the proof of concept to increase the TRL level in order to bring the application in the final industrial complete scenario. So this is all, and so thanks for the
Thanks a lot, Davide.